Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss political parties. Political parties serve as voluntary associations of individuals sharing similar political ideologies and aspirations for gaining power through constitutional means. In modern democratic states, these entities play pivotal roles in shaping national interests and governance. They are often categorized based on their ideologies into reactionary, conservative, liberal, and radical parties with varying stances on socio-economic and political issues. Ideological classification of political parties. Political scientists typically classify parties based on ideologies, placing radical parties on the left, liberal parties in the center, and reactionary and conservative parties on the right. Examples in India include the Communist Party of India, CPI, and the Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPM, as leftist parties, the Indian National Congress as a centrist party, and the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, as a rightist party. Types of party systems. Global party systems vary, including one-party systems, example, former communist countries, two-party systems, example, USA, UK, and multi-party systems, example, France, Switzerland. India embodies a multi-party system due to its vast size, diverse society, and universal adult franchise, leading to numerous political parties and frequent coalition governments. Party system in India, characteristics. The Indian party system exhibits several distinctive features. Multi-party system. India boasts the largest number of political parties globally, representing diverse interests and ideologies, resulting in frequent hung parliaments and coalition governments. One dominant party system. Historically, the Indian political landscape was dominated by the Indian National Congress, evolving into a competitive multi-party system with the rise of regional and national alternatives like Janata Dal and BJP. Lack of clear ideology. Except for a few parties like BJP and communist factions, most Indian parties lack clear-cut ideologies and prioritize power acquisition over ideological commitments, often advocating democracy, secularism, and socialism. Personality cult. Many parties center around charismatic leaders, overshadowing party ideologies. Names like Nehru, Indira Gandhi, and Rajiv Gandhi characterize the Congress, reflecting the prominence of leaders over party ideologies. Traditional factors. Indian parties often form around religious, caste, linguistic, or regional identities, promoting communal and sectional interests, sometimes at the expense of national unity. Emergence of regional parties. Regional parties have gained prominence, forming governments in various states and influencing national politics through coalition arrangements. Factions and defections. Factionalism, defections, and party splits are common, driven by personal ambitions and material considerations, contributing to political instability. Lack of effective opposition. Despite the importance of an effective opposition in parliamentary democracy, India has struggled to maintain a unified and viable opposition, often failing to offer a credible alternative to the ruling party. Recognition of national and state parties. The Election Commission recognizes political parties based on their electoral performance, designating them as national, state, or registered unrecognized parties. Recognition grants privileges like party symbols, political broadcasts, and access to electoral rolls. Conditions for recognition include electoral performance criteria, ensuring representation at national or state levels. Understanding political parties in India involves recognizing their diverse ideologies, roles, and organizational dynamics. From a multi-party system to regional influences and personality-driven politics, Indian party dynamics continue to shape the country's democratic landscape, reflecting its socio-political complexities and aspirations. Thank you.